What measures are taken in order to maintain the accuracy and the reliability of the test results?
All the SOPs are strictly followed, and then regular training of the staff, participating in external quality assurance programs, identifying outliers, taking immediate corrective action, and then orienting all the technicians regarding whatever preventive actions are to be taken. So this helps us in maintaining a very good accuracy of all our results.
What are the common misconceptions that people have about pathology labs?
So the most common misconception which I have come through is patients feel that if we ask some history, they feel that we are manipulating the results based on the clinical history, or we are changing the results based on the previous results. That is not true. There are many tests which need to be correlated clinically before the results are released. And this is what I will want to convey to all the patients, that clinical history taking is also important for pathology tests, and it is essential for your clinical management.
So, what do you do in case of emergency test result?
Yeah, so if a patient comes for a test which has to be reported urgently, and if the patient has some condition where they require an urgent report, so the person who is collecting the blood sample, they will put an orange sticker over the tubes in which the blood is to be collected. They will enter the same into the system in a software that this sample is an urgent sample, and it has to be it will be also highlighted in the software, and this person will also inform the technician who is processing the samples that this sample has to be taken on an urgent basis and the report has to be released early.
What is your system or procedure of informing patients about their results?
Yeah, so at the time of blood collection only, we are informing the patients that when will the report be ready. It will be depending upon whatever turnaround time or whatever time of testing we require for each and every test, it will be different. But then accordingly we will be informing them that this report will be ready by this time, and once the report is ready also, they will get a PDF on WhatsApp of all the results, and if they want to collect a hard copy, they can also collect. If they say that they haven't received the result or anything, then they give a call, or whatever is the query, we give them the report on email also.
What is the most rewarding work in diagnostics for you?
So, giving a correct result within time, especially in conditions where there are critical or abnormal reports, we find it very helpful for the patient's management, where the clinician gets a definite direction in which the patient's management can be done on an early basis and the lives can be saved.
So, how do you coordinate with the doctors for the test results?
So, in conditions where there are some critical results or abnormal results, we give a call to the attending doctor or the consultant, and if they are not available, to the attending nursing staff, we inform that this result is critical and it needs an immediate action to be taken. And when the report is ready also, like the same time we are releasing the report on an urgent basis and we are sending them the report also.
So, Dr. Nikita, how do you see the future of medicine diagnostic evolving?
Till now or some few years back, diagnostics was just detecting diseases. But with the future advances seen in diagnostic industry, which is rapidly evolving, we can see that there are many advances where the patient's disease predicting, personalizing and management will be at a very high level. With the advances in molecular and genetic testings, patient care will be quite helpful for the clinician and even for the patients.
So, Dr. Nikita, what would you like to tell the patients or the general audience in terms of early detection and regular testing?
Yeah, so there's a very common phrase saying health is wealth, but we are not paying attention to it. I will always say prioritize your health. At Srimati S.R. Mehta and Sir Kikabai Premchand Cardiac Institute and Agilus Dr. Fadke Labs, we have a wide range of tests ranging from simple tests to the advanced profiles. So, we are always there to guide you also which tests are there which could be performed as per your clinical or medical condition. And for us, early diagnosis is also a very crucial part in every patient's and every person's life. And regular blood testing will always be helpful to you for finding out conditions where early diagnosis and management is more crucial to save lives.